Alright guys, today I'll be roasting people. I'll be roasting people after toxic and infection lobbies. And yeah, I got better at roasting, so yeah, here we go.
Guys, you're gonna hit.
So, should I go in?
No, duh. I started 3 days ago. Like, what are you talking about?
He started 3 years.
Can you remove casual?
He kind of started
Nah.
meant to say years.
Did they remove my competitive? Alright. I think they did, so let's just redo competitive. Probably did.
Hello. Look at
Oh
this
yeah.
one.
Oh, you probably the time I got like my game like kind of got glitched. Like nothing actually happened. So yeah,
If you press the trigger,
let's
it
just
gets hard.
beat it. Alright.
If you press the trigger, it gets hard.
Alright. Here. I swear I had competitive before. Alright, so number will be. I should join rank obvious, but I don't know the code right now. I'm gonna quitted rank. How toxic before and now.
Hey, Top Hat, where you think you're going, little boy?
Alright. Alright.
You look like Purple. Can you teach me how to play?
I actually must
Can you teach me how to play?
Oh frick.
Because they do it for like a damn
Alright. Oh. Is somebody toxic here I see? So somebody's toxic, right? Yeah. Whoever's toxic there, you should watch out your mouth, buddy. Oh, you keep wanting to be talking trash? Alright. How you get out of this game, bro? Cause you said the N-word over like one time, bro. Like, imagine saying the N-word in a public lobby. Even if it's like casual, not casual, like infection, and this is default lobby. So why don't you shut up your mouth, cause you can't be talking to Dusty, Musty, Crusty, looking angle head, like you're still bald, like baldy. Like, look at your head. Nobody likes you, bro. You can't be saying the N-word. You got to quit this game right now because you're saying the N-word. So why don't you shut up? Alright, but doesn't your face look like a beluga cat who went to the mat and went to the mat and went in the face and looked at the mirror and said, who am I?
You are fucking KSI's brother.
Oh. But how do you think of looking in the mirror and look at your KSI face? So like, yeah, so keep like shut up, bro. Like you can't be talking. You like. Oh yeah, sure, buddy. I am a mega mind. My head's not that big, but your head's, my head's not small, but your head is small because like you have like the worst brand ever of your head.
Megamind's head, but it's not his fucking mind. How the fuck is that possible?
Did you probably get born by a rat? Cause you are a rat. And a brat. Alright, so why don't you shut up, bro? Cause like you look like you're from the McDonald's. Born in McDonald's by a rat, like a brat.
Like a fucking dog toy. Shut up.
Excuse me. You probably have to go to the bathroom and take a dump because you're just saying too much words that don't make sense. So once you get off this game, you might see Crusty, your head go ahead. Says one who's bald as baldy. Cringes Roblox ever story. Bro, this guy's from the Roblox cringes ever story, bro. Like, imagine.
Stop, buddy. Friend.
This is the end of the video, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and bye.